Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Coq Inu token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Coq Inu, they are the meme coin on AVX, founded by well-represented members of the community. They took on no distribution and put the entire supply of the coin with 150 AVX in initial liquidity. The contract has been fully re-announced and liquidity burned. Coq Inu project institution rating is 3.6. Coq Inu token total supply is 69.42 trillion and circulating supply is also 16 to 69.42 trillion. Coq token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, EXE and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.